Hey guys, just got a delivery from my friends over at Yotto Overland, and I'm excited to get these set up. It's the Raptorized Door Handle Covers for the JL and JT. So let's pop open this box and check them out. Inside the box, you get 2 alcohol prep pads, a quick install guide, some stickers, and of course the door handle covers themselves. Finished in a smooth, textured armor liner, these covers have that rugged, pelican case feel without being overdone. They attach using high-quality 3M double-sided tape, and add an aggressive little touch to the exterior of your Jeep to help set it apart. Okay, so let's head out to the Jeep and get these installed. With everything laid out, I'll start with the tailgate handle. First, remove the red backing tape from the 3M. Then, firmly press the cover in place, ensuring that you have a good connection. Now grab the handle cap cover. Peel the tape backing off, and press firmly into place. Super easy install, and this looks great. Time to repeat this on the back passenger side door, removing the backing tape and pressing firmly into place. Now repeating for the handle cap. Looks perfect. Onto the front door next. With the passenger side complete, we can now move on to the driver's side. It's hard to capture just how good these look in person, despite being such a small upgrade. And just like that, we've got all the covers installed. To get a set of your own, head to the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.